Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to cancel Elevate Brain Training subscription. First, open your application and you will find that first of all that you are in the main menu or the home page. To cancel the subscription, we have to go to our profile panel or account settings. Now we will after clicking on profile here in the menu, you will see the achievements and your username. Also, you can see how to share the Elevate and social media. But we want to go to subscription application or subscription settings. To do so, we have to go to settings here, and as you can see, my account statue is free. So I don't have the premium version. Now, to cancel the settings or to cancel the subscription, we need to contact the support of your Google Play or the iOS customer service, because the policies of the subscriptions of the application in these two operating system or two stores are not synchronized. So we have for each version of the application, either it is Android or iOS, you need to contact the customer service. To do so, we will click to in the settings, and here down we will find the help. So we'll click on help, and as you can see, the first thing is manage subscription. Now we will click on manage subscription and contact the customer service. Now you can just, for example, write here refund request like this, refund request, and add some text or type your email. And with this method, you will have a request that will be sent to the customer service, and they will contact you to refund you. So this is how you cancel your subscription. Thank you for watching and goodbye.